Alright, let's do a quick tour. Got the Lost Trails bumper with the Badlands 12,000 winch. A new paint job by Maaco. I've got the Prinsu Pro roof rack and the what do you call that rooftop tent there? A TopOak Galaxy Pro. I had a scratch here and I spray painted it, but I guess satin black was not the right choice. I'm gonna have to buy some matte black instead. I think I scratched it when I put it on. And 4 Renogy 120 watt shadowflux solar panels to charge up. This power bank here, I do have to do some wire management. So these are two 12-volt batteries paired up to make 24 volts. I've got the 2000 watt inverter, a battery charger. So if I am in the Pacific Northwest or whatever and I run out of battery from all the rainy days, I can just plug in an extension cord and it'll automatically start charging my batteries. Up here I've got a hole drilled in the roof with the solar cables going through, and another cable here that I run along into the bottom of the tent. There is a 12-volt socket in there, power switch, and a Type-C and regular USB all up in there. So I can just plug the tent light in there and hit the switch. And that's pretty much it for that. Inside here, I've got the solar charge controller. My batteries are full. This basically takes the power from the panels and smooths it out so that the batteries can accept it. In here I have a step down, 24 volt to 12 volt step down right there. And for that I have the tent wired up to it, and I have the socket wired up to it, and these lights are really bright. I will come up with a better solution for this because I don't want a cable running across. But this is the refrigerator freezer by Set Power. It's like a cooler. Both sides can get down to 0 real quick. You can turn one side off if you want to. You can set both to freezer, both to refrigerator. Here's the Set Power slider. Oops, I forgot there's a halfway stop. And that's very handy for camping, but also say you go to the store and you want to put your ice cream in the freezer. Oh, I said that wrong, but you don't want your ice cream to melt on the way home. You can just put it in the freezer. You don't even have to go right home. You can just put all your stuff in there and just do other errands. I can't show you the rooftop tent under this parking here, but it's very comfortable. There's a memory foam mattress in there that comes with the tent. It's firm, but I like firm mattresses. It's actually pretty comfortable. I've got my 2 pillows and string lights and my sleeping bag and heated blanket in there. So I was camping on the mountain the other day. It got down to 35. I had the electric blanket just dropped down in here and plugged into the inverter. Also, you can put the house cable in there, this stuff. So I wired that along in there. Eventually I'll hook it up and I can have an outlet. Thinking about putting it right there, or maybe in here, so I can just plug stuff in, you know, and then turn the on button with the remote that the inverter came with. So for the 2000 watt inverter, I plan on using an induction cooktop or an induction hob. That way I can just be out here. I'm gonna have the awning right here. Come out, I can be out here at a little table, induction on there, cooking, looking at the scenery. Nothing gonna sneak up behind me if I was like back here cooking. I don't want to be facing the vehicle. I want to be facing away, looking at the scenery, but also, you know, in case an animal tries to sneak up on me or something, I want to see it. So that's why I'll be doing the induction underneath the awning. Might do the awning room too. I'm thinking about doing the ARB awning. I just got to figure out how to get it to work with the, this tent. I'm not sure I can get it on there. We'll see. Just got to do some research. This is my 2006 Toyota 4runner V8 Sport Edition 4-wheel drive. I just hit 200,000 miles. I did a 20-year refresh. It's got brand new carpet, new paint, new roof rack, all that stuff. Plus, I've been maintaining it very well. I did have to take the back seats out, unfortunately. But you know what? I can't count the last time, I don't remember the last time somebody has actually sat in my back seats. I think I was the last person to sit in the back seat. So, since I don't plan on ever selling this thing, I wasn't too afraid to put a hole in the roof and a hole in the bumper and make a platform. This thing is solid. So the idea for the platform is more cargo space, but also if I'm in a rooftop tent and there's a thunderstorm, I don't feel safe up there in a thunderstorm. I don't want to get struck by lightning. So I can just come in here and be safe for the rest of the night. And that's all she wrote.